Hello dear traders, today is the 7th of May, Tuesday. Here's my latest market analysis for InstaForex. Today I have two trading strategies based on the swing trading method. We will discuss them using the chart. Before we start, let us focus on the macroeconomic events. Today traders may rely on the RBA key rate decision. Notably, the Reserve Bank of Australia kept the key rate unchanged. Tomorrow, US oil reserve data is the only report worth attention. However, on Thursday, all eyes will be turned to the US unemployment claims figures. On the trading chart, we see the code open in new trading week with a rise, which was later replaced by a decline. The bearish trend is in force. However, I do not see any interesting swing points. As for the euro-dollar pair, using a breakout strategy, traders may place a sell stop order near the area which the euro touched during the European session. If the US dollar rises, the euro will slide. The situation with the pound sterling is almost the same. Today, the currency approached the low recorded on May 3 amid the publication of non-farm payrolls. Then, this level was intact. However, now I do not see any obstacles to a breakout. Traders may place a sell stop order there. In this case, it's better to use accounts with the ultra spreads. The area near 1.24637 could also be broken by the pound sterling. The Australian dollar showed the most significant growth. Curiously, a bit earlier, it dropped more than other assets. I foresee a long-lasting rise in the currency. It's quite possible that the Australian dollar may slide soon and then abruptly break an important area. The dollar-yen pair is recovering after an immense drop of about 8,000 pips. I have taken the wait-and-see approach to this trading instrument as I do not see any trading ideas at the moment. Silver continues gaining in value. The target where it's better to lock in profits from swing lows is located at 30 USD. For now, I'm going to stop there. Stay tuned for our next video review.